Class 10 I.C.S.E. Board. Subject Maths. Chapter 2 Banking. Exercise 2A. First, Manish opens a recurring deposit account with the Bank of Rajasthan and deposits Rs 600 per month for 20 months. Calculate the maturity value of this account if the bank pays interest at the rate of 10% per annum. First, principal is given as rupees 600, time as 20 months, and rate as 10% per annum. They asked us to find maturity value. For that, firstly we have to find the interest, for which the formula is P into n plus 1 over 2 into 12 into r upon 100. N here is time, P is 600 into n is 20 into 20 plus 1 over 2 into 12 into r is 10 upon 100. 600 into 20 into 21 upon 2 into 12. 10 by 100. Zeros cut by zeros. 2 ones are 10s are 12 6 are 10 5s are 6 3s are 5s are 3 1s are 7s are. We are left with 6 into 5 into 7 into 5. The answer after multiplying is 30 into 35 is 1050. Oh my god. Now maturity value, P into n plus I. P here is 600 into n is 20 plus interest we find out as 1050. Now 12,000 plus 1050 rupees 13050 we got as our MV. Mr. Matthew opened a recurring deposit account in a certain bank and deposited Rs 640 per month for 4.5 years. Find the maturity value of this account if bank pays interest at the rate of 12% per year. Principal is given as Rs 640. Rate as 12% and time as 4.5 years. Firstly, we have to change years into months. For that, solve this mixed fraction. After solving, we get 9 by 2. Now multiply this with 12 because we want in months. 2 ones are 12 6 are 9 6 are 54 months. Now firstly interest, P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into r by 100. P here is 640 into 54 into 55 by 2 into 12. R here is 12 by 100. 12 cut by 12, 1 0. 2 ones are 64, 32s are 10, 2 on 5 table, 11s are, 2 1s are 32, 16s are 16 into 54 into 11 is equal to multiplication 16 into 54, 6 4s are 1 minute. 54 into 16, 6 4s are 24, 5 6 are 30, 32, 4 6 1 7 8 8 64 into 11, 4 6 4 0 per 1, 8 plus 6 14, 115 per 1, 9504. MV formula is P into N plus I. P here is 640, N is 54, plus interest we got as 9504. 64 into 54. 6 4s are 24, 125, 0, 5 plus 4, 5 4s are 20, 6 5s are 30, 32, 0, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now adding 6, 0, 9, 10, 14. Answer we got as 44064. Third, each of A and B opened a recurring deposit account in a bank if A deposits rupees 1200 per month for 3 years and B deposited rupees 1500 per month for 2.5 years. Find on maturity who will get more amount and by how much. The rate of interest paid by the bank is 10% per annum. First of all, for A deposited rupees 1200. Here the N is given as 3 years. We have to convert it into months. For that, multiply by 12. We'll get 36 months. Rate is given as 10%. Now interest, first of all. P here is 1200 into 36 into 37, that N plus 1, 2 into 12 into 10 by 100, zeros cut by zeros, 12 with 12, 2 ones are 36, 1 and 8, 18s are. Here we are left with 18 into 37 into 10, 37 into 18, 7 8s are 56, 8 3s are 24, 5 6 7 8 9, 29, 7, 3, 9 plus 7 is 16, 2 3, 5 and 6, 666, 0. Now MV for A, P into N plus I. P here is 640, 1200 into N is 36 plus 6660. 36 into 12. 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are 617. 6 3 2 14 minus 1 13 4 32 00 ante of 1200 plus 660. We get 0 6 2 plus 6 here is 8 3 plus 6 9 4 9 860 MV we get for A. Now for B. That was for A. Now for B. This was for A. Now according to question for B. They gave us principal as rupees 1500. Rate is same 10% and time they given us as 2.5 years. Converted into months. Solve this mixed fraction. We get 5 by 2 into 12 for converting in months. 2 1s are 6 are 5 6 are 30 months. Interest P into N plus 1, same as this formula. 2 into 12 into R by 100. P here is given as 1500 into N is given as 30 here 30 plus 1 31 upon 2 into 12 into R here is same 10. Zeros cut by zeros. 2 1s are, these 15s are. 12 on this 3 table. 4s are, 5s are. Now this 4 2s are. This 5s are. No cutting. 5 into 15 into 31 into 5 upon 2. Now multiplication. 5 into 5 is that 25. 15 into 31. 5 1 3 5 is 15. 1 1 3 4 5 6 465 into 25 by 2 here into 25. 5 5s are 25. 6 2s 6 5s are 30 32. 4 5s are 20 23. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12 13. 4 2s are 8 1 9 5 2 3 3 6 9 2 11. Here we got as 1 1 6 2 5 upon 2. Now divide it by 2. 11 नहीं आना नहीं 11 नहीं 10 on 5. Now this 1 and this 6 16 on 8. Now this 2 on 1. Now here 5 4 on 2. Here 1 is left. Now put here 0 and here point. 10 on 5. Here we got as 5 8 1 2.5. 5. Now here MV P into N plus I. P here is given as 1500 into 30 plus 5812.5. 15 threes are 45 plus 5812.5. Here 0.5, 2, 1, 8, 5, 5, 10, 0, 1, 5. Here we got as 50812.5. Now they asked us to find according to question, they asked us which have more amount. So here B has more. B has more, and then asked us to find that how much more. For that we'll find difference. For difference, B is more, so B minus A. P here is 50812.5 minus 49860. After doing calculation, we'll get 925.50 answer. That we get as our answer.